you could join me. I'm JJ, and it's been a minute, hasn't it? Sorry I haven't posted in a while. My life got really busy, but in a good way. But of course I had to come back to talk about one of the biggest collaborations of the year, the Gucci and Balenciaga Hacker Project. I did purchase these on the day of release, but it's just taken me a bit of time to actually film this, but I wanted to go through a few things that I did get. But please leave in the comments what your favorite pieces were from this collection, what you liked and didn't like, and what you think of the pieces that I bought as well. I will do a try on at the very end of this video, so stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe. So we're actually going to talk about the packaging first, which I really love. I like how it's really split half Gucci, half Balenciaga. So first up we have the paper shopping bag. So this is the one from Gucci. So you can see you've got the Gucci green, and then it's split right down the middle, and then you have the grey Balenciaga at the back, which I think is really cool. And I did get some canvas totes when I made the purchase from Gucci as well, so thank you to my sales associate. So I got the really big Gucci 100 one from the previous collection, and then I also got the smaller canvas tote as well, so pretty happy with that one. This one is the Balenciaga paper shopping bag. So this one I really love because it actually has the BB monogram. So this is what it looks like in the Balenciaga. So yeah, the packaging was amazing for this collection. The BB monogram from the shopping bag carries over to the packaging as well for the card holder. So this is the box for the card holder. So you can see how it looks, very cute. And inside is just plain brown, and you've got the care instructions, and also the BB monogram on the dust bag as well, which I think is very cute. So the card holder was 395 Australian dollars. So here we go, this is what it looks like. So you have the monogram with the antique gold hardware. And of course the green and red fabric, this is behind. So yes, you have room for many, many cards, and you've also got the central slot as well. Inside here, you just have Balenciaga embossed in gold and the serial number. But yeah, I preferred a lot of Gucci's versions of bags instead of Balenciaga. So this is actually the only thing I bought from Balenciaga. But yeah, it's pretty cute, and I'm going to use this whenever I use the Hourglass bag. Next up we have the neck bows that I bought as well from Gucci. So we'll start off with the packaging. This is how it wraps up. So you have the Gucci green and split with the Balenciaga grey. And the cool thing is the ribbon actually has both Gucci and Balenciaga as well, if you have a look. So this is the inside of the box as well. So you've got the green, and then you have on the inside Balenciaga in the box, which I think is cool. I bought two of the neck bows of this style. So with this one, it's just got the jumbo monogram and Balenciaga, so let's go through that. And on the reverse, it's just the same, but you've just got, of course, the Gucci labels and the metallic silver, and then of course the normal labels as well. So I bought one to wear as a neck bow and one to tie around the handle of the bag as well, because these are a lot wider. I'm probably going to use it on a larger duffel bag, but of course some people use it to tie onto their bags like a bag strap as well, which I think is pretty creative. So that is the neck bow with the jumbo monogram, and I do like the jumbo monogram more than the traditional small one anyway, so I love this. These silk neck bows were 370 Australian dollars each. So this is my final neck bow that I bought, and it's in the Gucci Flora pattern. I bought this one because I don't actually have much floral in my wardrobe, so I think it would make a good accent accessory. So yes, it's still quite wide, but I think this would look really good tied around a bag handle as well. So it has the same things. It's got the Gucci label, and of course you've got the normal label here as well. Okay, so that was the final neck bow. So this is how it looks with the neck bow. I'd probably have this tucked into a white button-up shirt, honestly, but this is just to show what it really looks like. So yeah, very cute. Out of the Gucci Balenciaga hacker project, I also did really like the Gucci versions of the, what they call, I think the Moto bag or the City bag or the Neoclassic bag. I get confused sometimes. But I didn't end up buying that one because I've already got that style of bag, whereas I don't actually have an Hourglass bag, and I really like the style of the Hourglass. And that was 3,565 Australian dollars. So now we're going to start with the box. So of course, Gucci green, and then it's split into the Balenciaga grey. And the cute thing is also the dust bag is split 50-50. So we have Gucci dust bag, and then Balenciaga dust bag. So these details are just really cool. And inside the box you have also the Balenciaga on the inside. So this is the Hourglass bag with the all over Gucci monogram. This one did sell out really fast, both online and in store. So here, let's take a closer look. So here we go. We've got Gucci on the handle, it's the top handle. This top handle doesn't go down or anything, it's rigid and stays on top. And then we have the antique gold hardware that has Balenciaga on it as well. And we've got the sides. This coated canvas feels so durable and sturdy. I reckon I could wear this for ages without any wear or tear on it at all. I forgot to mention that the card holder is the exact same coated canvas, but it just has leather trim on it. So it's got the hardware loops to attach the detachable strap, which is also adjustable, which is great. And you've got a back pocket here as well. And this is a base. This has a really rigid structure as well, so it's not going to slump over time, which I love. And everyone who's seen my other videos knows I love very small and crossbody bags. This bag has a magnetic closure. And we've got the Gucci monogram carries over to the lining. What I actually love about this bag is the internal lining. It's actually got Balenciaga on the inside, which is really a nice detail. And this internal lining also carries into the back pocket, which I really like. So inside you've got another zip pocket, and you've got the Gucci label and also serial number inside. And we've got some of the care cards as well. Yeah, care cards. Okay, so yeah, that's the Gucci Hourglass bag. This is the adjustable strap that comes with the bag. It's got, I like how it's got the Balenciaga. I don't know if you can see this on the actual hardware. And of course the monogram all the way throughout. And this bag is actually really spacious, so I highly recommend this. Even, I think, just other versions of this Hourglass bag. I think this is a really nice bag in general. So I'm glad to add this to my bag collection, and stay tuned to see me try this on. So this is the full outfit with the Hourglass bag. So there we go. It sits really nicely, even though it is a rigid structure bag. And you know I love my small crossbody bag, so there we go. That's how it looks. Okay, and I've also got my Flora pattern neck bow up here as well. And here we go, Golden Goose shoes to complete the look. And I'll show you how the bag sits other styles. So this is how the bag sits as a shoulder bag. So, just like that. Like this. But that's not how I usually wear it, but just to show you guys. And top handle, we'll do this. Has a top handle bag. Yeah, very nice size. So that is everything. I'll try not to wait so long to upload in between videos, but otherwise leave your thoughts in the comments below, and please like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.